Your body has an amazing ability to heal itself. When it's working properly, your body can use nutrients and oxygen to create energy and rebuild damaged tissues. Normally, these nutrients and oxygen are carried by your bloodstream to all parts of your body. But sometimes things don't work the way they should. Trauma, injuries, or disease may affect your body's ability to circulate blood and process nutrients and oxygen. Laser therapy treatments from a Summus medical laser helps your body to heal itself. Photons of red and infrared laser light are absorbed by cells and molecules in your body. Water in your bloodstream absorbs laser. The light energy is changed into heat energy, and blood flow improves. Red blood cells absorb laser, helping them to release the oxygen they carry. Then the red blood cells can more easily remove waste products. More oxygen to tissues and cells make them healthier. Damaged cells can have trouble using the oxygen, but laser therapy gives the cells a little extra energy to get them working properly again. Laser therapy is safe and non-invasive. Laser therapy from a Summus medical laser helps your body heal itself by improving blood circulation, delivering more nutrients and oxygen to injured tissues, and by helping your cells create more energy. This creates an optimal healing environment, so you can be pain-free and active again.